My brothers in Islam, on the plane of resurrection, the time when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will have us all resurrected in front of Him as we wait for the reckoning. The only thing that the land we will be standing on that day and the land that we stand on today have in common is the name. But everything else about it will change. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is mentioned in the narrations that Allah Azza wa Jal will change the formation of this earth, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will resurrect us on a land that is flat. It's plain. There is no buildings, there is no shrubs, there is no trees, there is nothing that you can use as a hideout. It's just a plain land, flat, white in color, and everyone will be resurrected and will be standing on this piece of land.